John Jones here. Hey, today we're going to talk about buying rental property. I'm a big believer in buying rental property. I have purchased several pieces over the years, probably for the last 12 years, and it's been one of my best investments that I've made. And I also do invest in the stock market. I think the best way to tell you about rental property is to give you kind of a real life scenario of how a rental property purchase could play out in this market right now. Okay, right now we are seeing 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage homes that were probably worth $125,000 to $130,000 a year and a half ago. We're seeing where we can get these houses for $115,000, and that's awesome because there's a lot of markets you can't even buy rental property. The markets are too overpriced and it just doesn't work. I want you to put 20% down, so I want you to put with closing costs $24,500 down on this property as your initial investment. We're going to be financing $92,000 at 6.5% over 15 years, and these are all very conservative relative numbers that we're working with. That's going to make our payment look like $947, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, $947 a month. We're going to put a renter in there that's going to pay us $950, maybe a little bit more. If we can't get $950, we won't buy. So therefore, the house is just going to take care of itself. There's not going to be a lot of cash flow. If you want more cash flow, you can take it to a higher yearly amount, or 20 years or 30-year mortgage. The beautiful thing about rental property, like any investment, is time. In 10 years, this is what this is going to look like here. This house that's worth $125K today is going to be worth $176,324, and that's just figuring 3.5% appreciation, which is very conservative. The payoff on that property, $47,675. You've had a renter in there paying that down for you. This is all that's left owed. Our equity in that home at that time in 10 years is $128,649, guys. $128,649 on a $24,500 first-time investment, initial investment. That's a 52% annual return. Okay, there's nothing that can touch that. And guys, I hadn't even factored in what you're going to be able to write off with depreciation and interest or expenses. That's all going to take that number up. Okay, I know what you're saying out there. What about expenses that come along? Granted, I haven't figured that in there, but let's just say we throw in another $15,000 for expenses over the 10 years for carpet, paint, what have you. That's still going to be over a 30% return a year, not counting what you can write off. So it's an incredible investment. If you want to learn more about it, call us, come down, we'll sit you down. We've bought a ton of it. We've done all the right things. We've done all the wrong things. So break the learning curve. Come in and listen to us. We're very conservative in our approach. We'll tell you how to do it, show you how to do it the right way, not the wrong way. And I'm just a big believer in it. It's worked well for me. $128,000 in 10 years, guys. That puts a couple kids through college. That probably put 10 kids through middle. You can put 1 kid through Vanderbilt, but it's a lot of money. Just think if you own 3 of these in 10 years what that looks like. Anyway, good luck and God bless.